Hi everyone, my name is Ruksad Nagra. Today I'm going to unbox a Bluetooth package. So let's see what's inside the package. That's the wireless headset J2. So it look nice from the box. Left right universal, two-way rotation use, 48-hour long play time, smart quick matching, call noise reduction, charging case, power cable. Let's see, I'm gonna open this one now. Let's see what's inside the package. They packed the box very nicely. I think this is look like a Bluetooth to me. That's a 2-year extended warranty. So if you scan the code and search for the website and register your product, they give you 2-year extra warranty. There's a 2 instruction manual book. That's the manual book look like. And also look like this is a charging cable to me. Yep, USB charging cable, which is a type C. So that's the new thing. I've never seen this one before. Okay, see, I think this is already been charged. That's the Bluetooth look like. I think that's everything. There's nothing else in there. So that's the whole box. And this charging cable go back on this. Nothing is got cells battery inside there as well. So you just plug that one in there. I think that's everything in the package. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel so I can bring some more unboxing video for you guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.